Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see recursive program to traverse a linked list. Okay, so this is our definition of node of a linked list. It is having two part, data and link part, and this is the linked list which we will be traversing today. As you can see here, head is containing the address of first node. Node 1 is containing the address of second node. Similarly, node 2 containing the address of node 3. Node 3 containing the address of node 4. That is the starting address. Now let's write the recursive program to traverse this linked list. Void traverse recursive. So what it will take as a parameter? It will take the starting address of the linked list. Okay? Struct node start. Let's name this pointer bit temp. Now what will happen? First of all, it will check whether temp is equal to null or not. If temp is equal to null, that means there is no data remaining in the linked list to be printed. That is, if temp is equal to null. In this case, what it will do? It will return from here. Function call will end. Otherwise, the linked list will have some data to print, and what we are going to do, we are going to print the data part first. Print f percentage data, then temp dot data, and in next line we will make a recursive call to traverse recursive temp dot link. Now see how this program will work. So what we will do to traverse this linked list, we will make a recursive call to traverse recursive, a function call to traverse recursive. Okay, and in temp we will copy the value of head, that is 100. We will make a recursive call to traverse 100 temp, and it will come and check this condition, whether temp is equal to null or not. So the address in temp is equal to 100. So it is not a null value. It will come and execute these two lines. It will print first the data part and change the pointer, and then make a recursive call once again. So what it will print? Which data part it will print? Right? So temp is equal to 100, and temp is pointing to the starting address of node 1. So it will print the data part of the node starting from memory address 100. That is, it will print temp, and in next line it will make a recursive call to temp.link. That is, link part of node starting from memory address 100. That is 200. So in next iteration, temp will be equal to 200, and a recursive call will be made to it. And what will happen in next iteration? It will again, this line will be false, and if check will be false, it will come and execute these two lines. So it will first print the data part of the node starting from memory address 200. That is, it will print 11 and now changes pointer. That is, temp. It will make a recursive call to temp link. And what is the link part right now? 300. That is, it will make a recursive call to traverse recursive 300. Temp will contain 300 now. And now our temp will be equal to 300, and it will point to node 3. So 12 will be printed, and in next in line, temp will be pointing to 400, and 13 will be printed. And what will happen in next iteration? This is our temp. We will copy null in it, and it will be pointing to some null address. So again the if check will be done. Temp is equal to null. So it is true now, and it will return. So this is how our recursive program will work. Okay friends. So if you have understood this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.